All right, so we are now in the female dungeons. We had two rooms for the women. This room, and just opposite, we had the other room. Each of these rooms held more than 100 women. The condition was still the same, and even to some extent, I can even say it was more worse for the women here, because the thing is, about more than 100 women were kept in this space. They had to eat here, they had to go to toilet here, they had their menstrual period right here. And also bear in mind that personal hygiene for the captives was not a priority. So it happened that most of the ladies died through diseases and infections. And also, most of them were victims of rape and sexual assault from the soldiers and their guards. So these are some of the things the women here had to endure before the ships arrived. So though we had more men than women, it happened that most of the women died than the men. And also we had more men than women because the hardest part of the work was actually meant for the men, working on the mines and the plantation farms. Mostly women served domestic reasons, domestic purpose, or women were taken along with the men for them to bring forth more children for their various owners. So that was a history behind the female dungeons. And we do the same thing here. We perform libation and do the same. We lay candles in remembrance of our ancestors.
Yes, family, if you take 1 or 2 candles and place them on the dungeons and just say a prayer, meditation, or just call out some of your ancestors. This is your moment to reconnect. And then if I get my sister, fall into 4 short libations.
Oyamakupon Asasia Nanamu. Oyamakupon Asasia Nanamu. Oyamakupon Asasia Nanamu. Prime Creator and ancestors, we come before you. We come and we are in this room where many of our ancestors disappeared and went through the door of no return. We are here to say we have returned. We have returned with more strength, more energy, and we are going to complete the work that you started. We are come back to rebuild Africa, and we come to you today to ask for strength, wisdom, and everything that we need to do the work. Amen.
Ashe that.
Ashe.
Ashe.